Hey everyone, and welcome back. My name is Andy, and in this video we are going to cover the trunk twist, also known as the wood chopper. The trunk twist is a multi-joint exercise requiring a substantial amount of hip and core stability and muscle activation. This exercise has amazing therapeutic benefits for lower back pains caused by weak core muscles failing to stabilize during increased physical activities. The action is to contract the muscles responsible for trunk and hip rotation through a desired range of motion. The common endpoint is performing a 180-degree movement. Set the cross-cable joint between the hip and shoulder height and stand perpendicular to the weight stack. Next, create separation to apply tension into the cable so when you are returning to the starting position, you will not let the plates clap. You may notice that you're experiencing a training effect higher in the back rather than the lower. This is because the lumbar spine rotates only 5 degrees when performing the trunk twist. The lumbar spine's primary movements are trunk flexion and extension, as well as lateral bending. The thoracic spine then supplements another 35 degrees of motion until the concentric action is terminated. Now, position your feet outside shoulder width. Have your lead foot angled into the direction of the endpoint. Depending on the weight and speed of movement, you may want to widen or narrow your stance. With both hands on the handle, attempt to keep your elbows straight and shoulders forward during the movement. If you notice that your hands are moving closer to your body, reduce the load until the desired form is established. When you are in position, tighten your core by drawing in your belly button and then swing the handle to the other side, and then relax slowly to return to the starting position for further repetitions. For visual cueing, pay attention to the starting and ending shoulder postures in the mirror's reflection for the desired range of motion. Depending on the training cycle needs, perform this exercise with varying speeds during both phases of the swing. Now I will demonstrate several alternatives to the trunk twist, which encourages a third-dimensional force.